Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can tell whether the iPhone that you are buying is opened or repaired. So if you're buying a used iPhone and you are unsure whether the seller is telling the truth that the phone has never been opened or repaired, so using these 3 steps you can find that out easily. The first step is to actually open the settings of your iPhone. You're going to scroll down and you're going to open the general section. Inside the general section, you're going to click on about, and here it's going to show you your iPhone's model number. In my case, it is MQ1D3LL/A. The main thing that you need to focus is on the first alphabet of the model number. So if your model number of the phone that you're buying starts with M, then it means that it's a new iPhone. However, if it starts with P, then it's a personalized engraving iPhone, which is also not repaired or refurbished. But if it starts with F, then it means that it is a refurbished iPhone, meaning that it has been repaired by Apple themselves. And if it starts with N, then it's a replacement unit, meaning that Apple replaced the phone if the first phone was wrong or had some faults. So the replacement unit, it may be repaired or it may not be. So if you have a M or P model iPhone, then that's the best option to go with. The second way is to actually look at the phone physically. Like if a phone has been opened, you can easily tell that the things will not be level. In this case, this is a perfectly new phone, so you can see that all the borders and edges are completely in its factory position, and also in the bottom you have these two screws which you should see, and if they are scratched, then it means that they might have been opened. So here I have another iPhone 7, and from here you can see that we have these uneven plastics, because I know that I got this phone repaired, so it is an opened or repaired phone. So the third way to check whether your iPhone has ever been repaired or opened is using your Windows PC and a free software. So on your Windows PC or laptop, you're going to open any browser and you're going to open the website 3u.com, and we will use this free tool to check whether any of our iPhone component has been repaired or not, because if it is repaired or replaced, then you're going to easily tell. And this tool is completely free. I will put this website link in the video description just below the like button. On the website, all you need to do is first of all make sure that you select 3U tools for Windows and press on the download button. Once the software has been downloaded, you're going to right click on the setup and press on run as administrator. You're going to agree to the terms and conditions and press on install. So from here, all you need to do is to connect your iPhone with your Windows PC using the lightning cable. And once it is connected, you're going to have an option device is connected. We're going to press on OK. And if it asks you to enter your lock screen password, just enter it on your iPhone. Here it is going to show you complete details of your iPhone. So we're going to click on verification report on the lower bottom. So it's going to ask for your permission. We're going to click on authorize to view, and here it is going to show you each and every detail of the major components of your iPhone, and you can tell whether it has been opened, repaired or replaced. So here you have your X factory value column, and here you have your read value column. So what it means that these are the original values provided by Apple, and these are the values that it has read from your iPhone. So if these values differ from these values, then it means that that component has been changed. So for example, I know that I have changed the battery of this iPhone. If I go on to the battery serial number, right here you can see that here is the serial number originally provided by Apple, but in the reality the serial number is changed, which means that its battery has been possibly changed, again with the rear camera as well. Now for screen serial number, you can see that it is unsure whether the screen has been changed or not, but you can see that it's not showing that serial number, which means that most probably the front panel or front screen of the iPhone has been changed. I will also show you a way how you can tell whether the iPhone panel is genuine or not. Anyways, from these test results you can tell whether the iPhone has been repaired. And if you want to check whether the iPhone panel is original or not, all you need to do is to swipe down from the top or bottom, click on the brightness icon, and here you're going to have this true tone option. If this true tone option is available and if it is working, then it means that you have an original iPhone. However, this true tone option was introduced with the iPhone 7 and the above variants. So for the previous iPhone versions, you cannot tell using this method. Anyways guys, these are the 3 ways in which you can tell whether your iPhone has been repaired or opened. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.